What's up, everybody? It's time for another Insta Live. Should be fun this. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Hello, everyone joining in. Yes, Atu, more people will join just because you're first. Hello to Karan Gorad, my batchmate, Sid Lodha, my cricket mate, among others. Ravdeep is saying, my girlfriend just broke up with me, Ronak. When I asked her the reason, she said, because I don't look at her the way Ronak looks at Agarkar. Very good, Ravdeep. Very good. I've got a lot of your questions, actually. You've been very active on my handle. So, yes. Yes, Sid Lodha, I have put on the Arsenal jersey. It's not just any Arsenal jersey. I'll explain more in a bit. Hello to Shrutika. I'm very well. How are you? I hope everyone's doing well. Ajit Agarkar is going to join us in a few minutes. So, start putting in your thoughts and comments. And yeah, for some of you that have seen me, that I'm already donning Arsenal colours very nicely. Abhishek Iyer wants to know what's that hideous t-shirt I'm wearing. Well, it's not my fault that you have no taste, Abhishek. Sanket wants to know who would have won this year. Sanket, seriously? I mean, have you been following the Premier League? Bring Dravid once again, says Vaibhav. Like I said, please give it some time, otherwise what's the point? Stoic Demeanor says this has been great because he's one of the biggest admirers of Ajit Agarkar ever since he consciously started watching cricket from say 98. So my pleasure. And yes, this is also going to be a debut for Ajit on Insta. So I'm just handing out these Insta Live debuts for fun now. I hope Agarkar is not an Arsenal fan. He's not. That's the whole purpose. Agarkar is a hardcore Man United fan and therefore he's going to be here. Eagerly waiting for Ajit, says Abby19880. So he shall be there any minute. Nikhil Shetty, our pool winning the league. Yeah. We'll have a lot of fun on that. Don't worry. That's going to be a great conversation that we have about Liverpool. Hello to Karuna. Ravdeep says, Bhagwan ke liye no live singing sessions today, guys. Yeah, I promise you. That was not. I didn't even think that Sanjay Manjrekar would take the trouble to set up a full damn video with audio with karaoke in his room and that to play it perfectly. I mean, that was just ridiculous. But anyway, hello to Isha. There'll be no singing. I don't think Ajit is the kind that is singing. So anyway. Red Pill Mangwani says, you're the Karan Johar of launching cricketers on Instagram. Well, in more ways than one, Rishabh. In more ways than one. Raj Agarkar 123 has joined. If that is the real Raj Agarkar, then hi Raj, I hope you're well. Bipul says, Arsenal fan, I'm leaving the live session. Well, Bipul, I think you're a bigger man than that. So I hope you can hang around. Sanjay is saying, be careful, I am listening. That's perfectly fine, Sanjay. Because there'll be no singing on this. And we will be talking about you. So let me see how long you can listen in. Sanjay Manjrekar is also amongst our audience today. Narendra, why did he leave the team after Dhoni's captaincy? I'm not sure that's the reason he left it. Dhoni, in fact, was captain when Ajit played in that 2007 World T20. And you've seen and read enough of Ajit on Dhoni. Yeah? With me, it's gotten both of us some serious headlines in the past. Rajat saying, is Ian Chappell confirmed on Insta Live? Just watch this space, Rajat. It's all happening. Yeah. Oh, so you know which jersey this is, Abhishek Iyer, do you? Okay, he says you worn this jersey longer than someone already did. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It is indeed a... Anyway, we'll come back to that shortly. I hope all you guys are enjoying the Insta Lives and it continues to grow. There's a huge list now of cricketers this week. I'm completely packed for this week, so there's going to be a lot more coming up. And Ajit Agarkar will join us very shortly. So just keep the questions and comments going. And again, sometimes it's not always possible for you to put all of them. And Ajit tends to answer them early and then the question comes later. So sorry about that. This is from Savant Sanika, who says, you're wearing an Arsenal jersey, getting ready for the sledging. Yeah, actually, if I'm wearing an Arsenal jersey, I'm literally inviting the sledge, right? Because come on, it's not good times for either club right now. And if we are going to look at history, then well. But anyway. When is Dravid come again? Bhai Vaibhav, he will come. ठीक है? मतलब और भी काम है Dravid साहब को और he'll be back soon. So don't worry. Bipul saying, I once got triggered badly here in Nepal when I hosted a cricket show with a football jersey. It's okay. It's my show. I don't care. No one's gonna go after me for my own. Viraj Desh says Ajit Agarkar is a cricket player. Ranu Kapoor is a player. Okay, you're giving me, if I think you're meaning what I think you mean, then you're giving me way too much credit, because that's not true. And you've seen Rahul Dravid's views on my cricket, which I think are slightly different from Sanjay's views. But anyway, Siddharth, Sid Lodha, Ajit's thoughts on legalizing ball tampering. It's a lot of you that have asked that question, so I will put it through to him. Mayank is asking me how I'm doing skipper. Mayank is part of my cricket team, so he knows that I can talk about playing very well. Ash is saying this is going to be a super session. I hope so too, Ash. Good to have you. And hello to everyone else who's joined in. Like I said, Ajit should be with us any second now, just warming up. This is his Insta debut as well, remember? So I'm quite thrilled that I'm handing out Insta Live caps to everybody. Hello to Manish. Has he sledged SRT on the Lord's Honours Board? I will ask Manish. I will ask him. That's a good question. I hope you can just keep it coming again in case I get carried away with all my excitement when I see Ajit. Nigel Dias says, get Chappelli on the show. You know what, Nigel? Let me think about that. Hello to Shraddha. And Savant Sanika saying he wants Ajit's thoughts on the 4-day test. Yeah, we'll try and put that too as well. Fastest ODI 50 says Jitesh Parwani. Guide Ajit for the debut. Well, he's got someone very capable at home who's very tech savvy. His lovely wife Fatima is extremely adept at social media. Vraj Desh is saying Chahal is going live with Vikrant Gupta as I type this. Yup, that's a different pitch, man. That is not the pitch I bat on. So Vikrant Gupta and Yuzvendra Chahal, perfect. That's the kind of game that you want to see. Then all yours. No, it's not competition for me. No chance. What else? Be it cricket opinions or political opinions, love that you don't beat around the bush, says Gil Gurkirat. I hope I got that right. Thank you. These are interesting times, but what's the point of beating around the bush? Sharvil is here as well. He's got lots of good cricket questions. So Sharvil, I will ask him that. Gaurav Kalra has also joined. So Gaurav Kalra has, and Gojitesh is talking about Gaurav Kalra sir joining. So Kalra and Manjrekar are part of the extremely illustrious viewers of today. And I hope Ajit is going to be on any second now. Yeah, so shouldn't be long before we get Ajit. Right, now I think the time has come. So get ready. Again, it's Ajit's first Insta Live. So let's be nice to him. Yeah. Waiting for Ajit. Any second now. All right, let's see if Ajit has figured this out. Ajit has figured this out. Hello,
yeah, I just knew it. It couldn't have.
What did you do? What have you done? You planned this or is this impromptu?
No, I didn't. But I mean, it couldn't have been anything other than an Arsenal shirt that I was staring at.
Excuse me, it's not just any Arsenal shirt. You want to see which shirt it is?
Oh God. Oh yeah. Not the one with the Premier League though.
No, my God. And so it has begun. See, this is the thing. You should be ever grateful for us. We wanted Sir Alex to win the Premier League before he retires. We sent you the best player to achieve it possible, right? So that is what we have done.
I think we've gladly taken it.
Oh my God. So being so nice. Ajit, welcome. This is your Insta Live debut as well, no?
Thank you. Yeah. Actually pretty nervous though. Much easier being in a Cricinfo studio. Yeah. Here you got a free hand to ask me anything you want, and it's a little bit worrisome.
Yeah, so are you telling me that there you have the free hand to say what you want to? Here also you do. Although as we say this, Sambit Pal has posted saying good ambush marketing.
Yeah, because they need us to market them.
Yeah. And let's not forget that at least between Ajit and me, I'm still being paid, but Ajit has stopped being paid by Cricinfo. So where's the ambush marketing, right?
I'm just glad to see Sambit Bal on it. I haven't seen him for over a year.
Okay, so there are so many questions coming in already. S. Sharma says, big fan of you, Agarkar sir. Ajit sir, I love you.
Thank
from
you.
Abby. Ajit, you look great except for the t-shirt that I added. Shraddha says with a heart. But now what is there? Sanjay is watching, Ajit. He's posted saying, be careful, I'm listening.
Okay. I saw you all saying that's not happening on this.
Yeah, that's definitely not happening. Thank you very much. Manan Bora says, "Oh yeah, Ajit, you're a red devil." Oh God, this. See, listen, guys, come on now. I don't want to overdo this United Arsenal thing. We're both Europa League clubs today as we speak. So let's be humble. Yeah, let's be humble about this. Ajit, I've got lots of questions for you, and many of them are coming from what's current in news right now, which is about
Yeah.
ball tampering looking legalized. So let's get a serious cricket chat out of the way first. It's amazing, no? The just after you played that okay about legalizing ball tampering, it would have been fun to put something on the ball while you played all those years.
Yeah, well, we had a couple of guys being banned for a year for doing something similar, and now we're talking about ball tampering. I mean, I spoke to somebody a couple of days back, and it's an interesting one. I don't quite know what they mean by tampering. Uh, Sweat, saliva, I think that's such an important part of polishing a ball that I don't quite know what tampering is likely to be. But yeah, it's good to hear at least. Look, without the there being shine on the ball, uh, it is going to be difficult for bowlers if it isn't already. So hopefully we get some definitive things that we hear what tampering means. But it's always welcome, yeah, if you can get the ball to swing.
Yeah, I sent you that little thing of Ashish's headline, no, which Rahul Fernandez put
Yeah.
out on Twitter. Saying,
I
saliva.
I was very careful with my words.
Yeah, and for those of you not getting the joke, there's a lovely thing on Twitter that I saw from Rahul Fernandez, which says, imagine not following cricket and reading the headline with Ashish Nehra saying, saliva is must and Vaseline is no substitute. So that was terrible. But see, this is the kind of stuff we don't get to say on Cricinfo, which is why we are here. I got some more questions for you. This is from Sharvil Vaidya, who put in a lot of good questions. How are Dada and Dravid different when it came to captaincy?
Oh, no, I think Dada was a bit more vocal when it came to Rahul. Sort of let you be a little bit, and just like his personality is. I don't know whether they got to see much, considering you were holding 3 phones and 2 computers while talking to Rahul, but he is generally on the quieter side. Yeah. So I think that kind of showed the personality showed when they led. But both great sort of captains to be playing under because they let you be as a player. If you were smart enough to know your game, you could work it out for yourself.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, it's not my fault, okay, that Rahul Dravid is a dinosaur. So I don't know if he used to write, on a letter to all of you, or whether there were any WhatsApp groups at that time or what. But that it happened is only a great thing. Nakul Mehta says, "Sabse badkar Ajit Agarkar." And is Ajit Agarkar cooking in the kitchen? And what's on your plate? I think you know Nakul, so have fun with that.
No, Nakul. I had a lovely time shooting for a show during the World Cup with Nakul. Lovely guy, and I know what he's talking about. There was something on the show with that slogan. I believe he's cooking a lot. I haven't been cooking a lot because I want my family to eat well.
Now let's talk about family. Atashi Patel, I think you heard of her, has asked. I'm sure this question will be asked on behalf of Fatima Agarkar as well. But what exactly is it that the two of you need to discuss for hours over a phone call every alternate day?
That is when you answer the phone.
Arey yaar. Now I need to explain this to some people. Okay, I am on a salary, right? I'm not loaded like Agarkar. Yeah, if he just takes his phone around now, you'll see there's wealth everywhere.
Sorry to interrupt, but you just said you are getting paid. I'm not.
But I'm getting paid a salary, for which I need to buy. I have to buy vegetables and as a ginke and all. Not like you, where you've got how many BMWs, how many LV bags, how many.
Let's move
class?
on. We are losing viewers.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I know because they're all on limited data, unlike you. Anyway, no, the point is, I've had a phone mishap for a while, so I have to use a Bluetooth device of my phone, and therefore, it's called sometimes. It takes time to pick up. But the problem is, and I'm going to say this here because I don't get to say this on Cricinfo, you need to be a more patient man, like Rahul Dravid, right? Because now I'm friends with him, so I can use him like that and all. You cut the call after four attempts. I have never seen you go more than 4 or 5 rings, and then you cut it. The whole ring lasts till 20, 30. I'll pick up by the 19th. Why don't you just be more patient?
Okay, we'll give that a go after this is over.
Oh shit, this is so bad. I can see the anger in you right now. Now he'll wait for that one time when he calls me 19 times. But you can't call it.
It'd be nice to ask Atashi whether you answer her calls.
That is different now. That is not that is not because I'm late in trying to put it on. That's that I see it and just put it on the side. But anyway, let's take some more questions. Fatima wants to know if Ajit prefers cricket or golf or working with his wife on Ace, which is something new you guys have started.
Yeah, and lockdown as well. So there's no escape at the moment. Um, so
Is she paying you a salary? No. Is Fatima paying you a salary for Ace or no?
I'm hoping at some stage. I don't want to put too much pressure too early, but I'm hoping at some stage. Uh, Cricket or golf, I mean, cricket's given me everything. So it'll be foolish to say that, I would rather play golf than cricket. So, but at the moment, if you ask me to go and bowl over or play a round of golf, there is no debate. It's golf all the time.
Alexis
All
is saying,
broken bones and torn muscles, it doesn't feel nice to go run in and bowl again.
yeah, I know how much you love your golf. It'll come, that conversation will come. Alexis is saying, hi, my favorites, and saying, Ronak, take that terrible jersey off. Say hello to Alexis Ajit. She's watching. And
Thanks, Alexis.
you know how much I think Ajit is far more a favorite for Alexis than I am. She's always wanted Ajit Agarkar in more ways than one. No, Ajit?
Again, let's move on. Thanks, Alexis. Hope you're doing well.
Okay. Real Hip Hop India says, Ajit, you have to clear the rumors. Did you get plastic surgery for those big ears of yours? What kind of nonsense question is this?
Well, if
But
I
you've
had
been
to get if I had to get plastic surgery, I'll make them smaller. Why would I get them bigger?
Okay. Ravdeep is saying, I noticed that that Sanjay and Ronak had a lot to say about Ajit the person and complimenting him, but not as Ajit the cricketer. Why did Sanjay and me not talk about Ajit the cricketer? But chalo, that I won't discuss. What I will ask you is maybe you can talk
But
about Sanjay.
talk about, sorry, I didn't get you there.
I said that Ravdeep is saying that I noticed that Sanjay and Ronak spent a lot of time talking about Ajit the person and how great he is, but not about Ajit the cricketer. So I'll now relate this to the question Atashi asked. We actually spend most of our time talking about Sanjay Manjrekar only, and given the year that he's had,
Correct.
he gives us
And
content.
yeah, he's recently given us some gold in the last couple of days, which I won't mention here, but yeah, I suppose it's much easier to talk. I guess cricket everyone knows, yeah. Apart from your performances, you want to know the person. Otherwise, if you want to elaborate, please go ahead. I think Sanjay was my first captain for Mumbai, so I'll refrain.
Yeah, he'll break the lockdown. He'll drive, come to my house and whack me. So no, I'm not getting into any of that right now. Stoic Davina says, Ajit, share the experience of the incredible 95 that you got the first time you were sent at number 3. Did you plan it or any of that? Ajit, you want to have a crack at that?
Oh no, I just showed everyone how easy it is to bat. Yeah, up top the order. I'm just joking. Before
you should just say it.
No, look, it was lovely to get an opportunity in India. Conditions are so nice to bat. Got a bit of a start and unlucky, not unlucky. He was very disappointed to miss out on that 100 actually. Would have been nice to have a test 100 and a one day 100, but I'll take a 95. I think when you batted number 8, you'll take a 95.
Yeah, I mean, I would have taken it if I had played for India. Which
I should have got a few more innings after that performance, but it's okay. There were a few better players than me.
Yeah, I should go back to the asking about Dravid and Ganguly and captain and all, but ठीक है, let it be now. Insaf is asking you Twitter, Zahir Khan, Irfan Pathan, Ajit Agarkar, Ashish Nehra, Munaf Patel, RP Singh and Balaji. Pick your top three. He included yourself in this. Pick your 3 for an all-format attack.
Oh, that's a tough one. I mean, Zahir Khan, without a doubt, is the number 1 in that. Obviously, Zach's, I mean, not just his numbers, but what he had. It's a tough one. I mean, obviously, I'm not picking myself. I think that Ashish Nehra probably had the skill, maybe with injuries and other stuff that didn't probably go on and get as many wickets that he had the ability to. And Balaji at his best. I mean, for a right hand, I think, look, they're all good bowlers in their own right, but Balaji, when he was at his best in Pakistan, we all saw what he could do here. So, whether they're the top 3, Zach's definitely number 1 in that group of bowlers you've named, and I think the rest of them, everyone's pretty close to each other.
Asashi say, Ronak, you're asking the questions and answering them yourself. Well, now I don't think I do that. Do I do that, Ajit? Do I ever do that?
I don't know. Did you do that with Sanjay as well? Or?
Sanjay,
And Rahul?
Sanjay, no chance. No, no, no. Please, I've never done that with anybody. See. And now let's put this also out. Your wife has told me, and she put this on a post as well, that I bring out the best in you on air. Now, I'd like to tell our viewers that Ajit Agarkar, in his professional career as an analyst, has worked with David Gower, Harsha Bhogle, Jatin Sapru, Mayanti Langer. Now, these are all greats, right? All greats and more seasoned than me. So, I don't want to ask you who your standout cricket anchor is because I don't want them to feel bad there.
No, no, I'll have a word with my wife a little later. So.
Amol Mazumdar,
No,
our
but
friend.
it's always been fun.
Yeah, thank you, Ajit. Amol Mazumdar is asking, does Ajit use a buggy or does he walk on the golf course?
See, the problem with these age jokes is people who are younger than me should crack them at me. Amol's, Amol passed out of school about 5 years before me. So, it's. So I know what it means, but you're the wrong person to ask that to. But to answer that question, I prefer walking.
Okay, you do prefer walking, and that takes me back to actually Sydney, which I've posted a lot of nice pictures and memories about. Some of you might have seen that. Where now the thing was, see, I was young and very worried, and also Ajit Agarkar was like two parents that were traveling with me. Ajit parent, elder brother, chalo, Sambit Bal was the parent, and when we traveled. I mean, my family came to literally drop me off and they were crying like I was going to the border.
Yeah, there were about 13 people to drop you off. Yeah.
I but what to do now? My family is very emotional about me now. What to do? Anyway, so when we were in Australia, I was just taking Ajit's cue that wherever he was going, I was going. The problem is that you like to walk and you used to do a lot of walking on slopes also. So I was thinking we'll walk till outside the hotel and haul a cab. And they're like, let's go. And we used to walk. There were so many slopey parts of Australia. Do you remember how much you made me walk? And do you realize that that's not something you should make me do looking at my fitness?
How much do you end up walking in Mumbai? So you may as well. I mean, there's beautiful weather, 2 months in Sydney. What more could you ask for? I like walking. I think any time you travel, that's the best way to see cities. Not for people like you, but normal people.
Sanjay Manjrekar is asking, if you had a choice, Ajit, Bata shoes or Gucci?
I said it to him that day. I said at the moment there's only chappals and running shoes that are going on. So those are my favorites at the moment.
Yeah, but
Bata's a great brand.
You've heard of Bata, no? I mean, because I think at your level you may have never sort of seen a Bata shoe. Have you ever seen good, or you only go into those expensive ones with 7-figure shoes?
I thought you said all those nice things about me in those posts and invited me here. I didn't realize it was to sledge me. So
I want sledging.
There's a leave button on this.
No, don't do that. I mean, you've just figured out to get here, so let's not get in this. But chalo, I'll sledge little less now. Some of you have already seen, the post that I put out, and go have a look. And Shilp is saying maybe you should say golf shoes more than anything. Yeah, perhaps the golf shoes are your more precious shoes at the moment. Let's now head towards a little quiz, Mr. Agarkar, which I play with all my guests. I played it with Sanjay too, and I picked cricket. And I
love quizzes, as you know.
Yeah, but you're good at quizzes. So let's clear that too. When all our cricket IQs and our face-offs and all, you remember more than most people, don't you? You're quite a smart man, which is, you don't give up.
Although there are some sadistic statisticians in Cricinfo who actually get pleasure when the analyst or the expert doesn't get it right.
So, this sledging is to me, the sledging is to Cricinfo, sledging is to Sambit Bal, and now...
Well, Jasdeep and Sambit both are watching, so I may as well take the opportunity.
Oh, are they? Okay, chalo, good. Then good. Then might as well, let's sledge bindas. So, everyone knows now that Ajit Agarkar is a very keen Man United fan. He's worn that horrible t-shirt there, which he can pan down again and show everybody that it's a Man United t-shirt. But anyway, say something. You want to interrupt?
No, it's okay. It's Arsenal, so I'll just let it go. If
okay.
It was some
This is now pity, and I don't like pity.
To be fair, at the moment United is in the same boat, so let's move on.
Exactly. So I'm going to ask Ajit just to sort of validate his United's fandomness. There are going to be half questions on United and half questions on cricket. But cricket is Ajit's career only. So, I don't want to make it vast. I'm not like one of those statisticians. So, Ajit, ready?
Yeah, may as well.
Okay, go for it. Let's go. First one, name Man United's manager before Sir Alex Ferguson.
Oh, before Sir Alex. I was born. You know when I was born, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm just seeing to what level that you might know. No, Ron Atkinson. But I got a substitute. Let me see. You name United's managers after Sir Alex Ferguson. As many as you can.
And please, man, I want to try and forget most of them. David Moyes, Van Gaal, Mourinho, and now Ryan Giggs was there for a little bit. But
perfect. You've got all of them. What great days! No, those are my fondest memories of Man United. Louis Van Gaal and David Moyes. If only. Anyway.
Well, like I said.
Okay. Name both goal scorers for Man United during the '99 Champions League final against Bayern Munich.
Oh, Sheringham and Solskjaer.
Well done. 3 players missed penalties in the 2008 Champions League final between United and Chelsea at Moscow. Name them.
The United players?
The United player was just one, which is famous.
The 2 players for Chelsea, was it obviously John Terry?
Yeah.
And was it Anelka?
Perfect. It's right. Oh. The United one is famous. Of course, it was Ronaldo that missed.
Yeah.
Right, like a sob, but whatever.
Yeah, that's why I was a bit confused when you said 3. I don't remember United missing 3.
Yeah, well, fine. Anyway, remember United winning? No, Champions League. Good, be happy. You need a little bit of luck. Like
it was actually the first year of IPL. I remember being in Delhi for playing for KKR at that point. The game was the next day, and we went on till very late that final. So fond memories.
Are you one of the few hardcore Premier League football fans in that time in the team, or were there a few?
No, there were quite a few. I think a lot of cricketers do follow football, and mostly Premier League. I haven't come across too many they keep a track of other leagues, but generally Premier League.
Okay, and the last one is squad numbers were introduced in the Premier League for the first time in 93-94. Who was the first player to be assigned number 7 for Man United?
93-94.
The first player to be number 7.
I don't know. Was it Cantona?
Yeah, it is Eric Cantona. So not bad. So you've got.
Oh, I didn't realize it was the first one though.
4 out of 5 for football. Now let's try cricket. Yeah, you were India's first T20I cap, which is quite something that didn't strike me. It was pointed out to me on Twitter by Kritika.
Helps to have AA.
Helps to have AA. I know, probably the first at a lot of places. But on your debut, you picked up 2 for 10 against South Africa. Name both wickets.
Oh, I know AB de Villiers.
Yeah. Do you remember how you got AB?
I think caught behind, if I'm not wrong.
Hey, Dhoni's contributed to your history, and then you and me together.
I know it was. Things out. It was your article, by the way. So.
So I'm going to make this a story too, right? Ajit Agarkar, as many of you remember, was one of the first cricketers that put a very pertinent question on Indian cricket after that South Africa series. 2014 or 2016, I think, and said, there should be some scrutiny on what's the role Dhoni has. The headline was, I think, slightly.
It was your headline. So let me clarify. You were talking about the number 4 position,
correct,
and not whether MS Dhoni should be playing or not.
Yeah.
Thanks to your headline, people only read headlines.
Yeah, but I didn't put the headline, and that turned out to be my first article. So it became this hugely popular, widely spread, shared thing. And the thing was that when I came to your house that day to film, I remember that you had said it was Zach, it was Zaid Khan's birthday just the night before. So I was thinking, are these comments coming as a result of?
And the funny thing about that was I didn't even know you'd put up the article, and suddenly my phone started buzzing, and we'd left Mumbai with my family. So it was an interesting evening. I couldn't quite understand. My phone never usually buzzed that much. So that's when I messaged you and asked, I said, what's happened?
Yeah, I remember. And then we just discussed about the art of headline making, which none of us had anything to do with. So again, something for you, Sambit Bal.
Okay.
If you'd like to comment, please, Mr. Bal, please comment why you did what you did to Ajit. Anyway, so that was De Villiers, and the other one was Herschel Gibbs. I'll give that to you. So go wickets.
Gibbs, was it? Okay.
Next one. In your epic 6 for 41 at Adelaide, you ended up getting 8 in the match. But who's the only batsman you dismissed in both innings of that test?
Katich.
Well done, Simon Katich. In the ODI where you scored your 25 ball 67, which remains India's fastest ever 50, who opened the batting for India?
Wow. I'm sure Sachin did.
Yes.
SS Das?
No, it's a one-off. He's never opened after that or before that. It was Sridharan Sriram in that game.
Oh, wow.
I'm trying to think of why was Sriram opening. Was that like, I don't think Saurav played that game. So I think Rahul was.
Saurav didn't play. I can't remember actually. I'm sure Saurav
Rahul
would
was
have played the
captain.
game. Oh, Rahul was captain.
So Saurav, he was man of the series. Saurav, maybe that last game, Saurav must have had a little nickel.
Yeah, I think we'd
But
won
anyway.
the series by then. I'm obviously and
Yeah.
not sure.
But
why
what was
Saurav didn't
Sriram?
play.
You should have opened. Why was Sriram?
It's about 300 years back. Yeah. I can't.
Okay, and two more. So you've got every cricket answer right so far, or almost every cricket answer. There were 6 bowlers England used in the Lord's Test in 2002, where you got that memorable ton. Can you name them? All those guys that didn't get you out, couldn't get you out.
Yeah, I think this should be Hoggard, Flintoff, Simon Jones, his debut test, Craig White,
Well done.
Ashley Giles. Is that 5? And Michael Vaughan, I think.
Well done. So all including Flintoff at his best, and Hoggard and Simon Jones, couldn't get Ajit Agarkar. Sampit Bal has commented, "There's nothing like bad publicity." He's actually said there's nothing bad publicity.
We understand.
Yeah, I'm paraphrasing. The net at Pidley is allowing him to at least watch this uninterrupted, which I'm amazed with. Some of you saying Caddick. No, Caddick was not part of that test, but good. I'm glad you guys are playing as well. And the last one I've got for you is, who was your last wicket for Mumbai?
Last wicket for Mumbai. Unadkat.
Well done, the Ranji final in 2013. So that's good. So I think your cricket and your United and your cricket knowledge is at par, which is not bad. Huh?
Yeah, thank God. There was some. If you wanted, you could have. It actually started to fade a little bit, the memory.
Really, it happens.
Yeah,
It happens.
now you can start asking me some golf questions.
Yeah, no, I'm not discussing that. Gaurav Kalra is watching right now, and he will probably have a thing or two to say about exactly when memory starts to go. But otherwise, yeah, we're pretty good. Let's take some of your questions too. I don't want to exclude you guys. Come on, let's see. Shraddha Bagdwal wants to know the top pacers of this generation. Ajit?
Oh, wow. Do we include Dale Steyn in it?
Yeah.
Probably the number one.
You have to, yeah.
Yeah, Rabada, I quite enjoy watching Rabada. Cummins, obviously, the way he's sort of come on in the last, couple of years. Who am I missing? Bumrah, obviously, Shami.
Yeah.
I really enjoy watching Shami and, just his wicket-taking ability. There are quite a few around, I think. Over the years, Anderson, obviously, the longevity, Broad Anderson, this point. So, plenty. I think the pitches have started to help the bowling a little bit more over the last few years, which is brought the bowlers back into the game a fair bit. Yeah.
Okay, great. So keep them coming. Akshay Bide wants to know, did you have a bunny in the nets? That's a nice question.
Sorry, did I?
Did you have a bunny in the nets?
Wow. No, I'm going to be respectful and say no. No, look, there were days where, some days the pitches were difficult. Wankhede was that's why a lot of the Mumbai batsmen generally over the years, if you see, were good at playing fast bowling or seam bowling. The practice pitches that we had at Wankhede in the morning, with the dew around and so much grass on them, were a real challenge for batsmen. And everyone with a new ball in their hand was always keen to bowl. So those were some of the toughest pitches that a batsman could bat on, which always was a nice thing to turn up in the morning and try and have a go at these guys who keep whacking you otherwise.
Ravdeep is saying everyone thought that Ajit would be the first guest on my Insta Lives considering the camaraderie we share.
Yeah, well, Rahul Dravid, trumps everything else. Yeah. Even I thought so. You're right.
See, the thing is now that I wanted tech issues to be sorted. So you always start. So I started with Rahul Dravid. Like Rahul Dravid, we'll see if everything is working properly and all. And then Sanjay Manjrekar, who made sure even Kishore Kumar music can be played. So now that everything's sorted, I've come to you. So that is what that is.
Okay, I'll take your word for that. But
thank you.
Yeah, and I can't believe you got the great Rahul Dravid on the Insta Live, who's so far away from social media, and then you had to use 3 computers to actually get him to the audience.
It was so stressful. Thank God you at least have you've joined me here. Otherwise, till I don't see the face. I actually think this is not going to go well. And I actually keep my laptop is right here. So in case something goes wrong, I keep it ready. I'll just go to that stressful style again. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. We did it yesterday too, and we've got quite a few viewers too as well. I'll come back to your questions, guys, but it's time for a rapid fire. Now, Ajit, you get the concept of rapid fire, no? Because I don't think Sanjay got it. It was not very rapid. In some parts of the world, his rapid fire is still going on. So you need to be faster. Okay? Are you get ready?
So it's one word, I'm guessing.
One word, one line, whatever. First thing, but it has to be quick. Whatever comes to your mind first, right?
Okay.
And if you say something you regret, it's fine because we're all in lockdown. Nobody can do anything. Okay, right. Everyone ready for the rapid fire? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Your favorite footballer ever?
Oh, Paul Scholes.
Your favorite golfer?
Tiger Woods.
Biggest influence on your cricket career?
I think Sachin Tendulkar.
One bowler from either a previous or a later generation that you would have wished you bowled in tandem with?
Previous generation. I think Michael Holding. Sorry, what was the other one?
No, that's good. Before or after, you could have picked anyone. So Mikey Holding, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, one thing about you that you know Fatima hates, but you still keep doing.
One thing. This is not going to be rapid, man.
Okay, that's good. That's as good. One thing about me that you hate, but I still keep doing.
Don't answer your phone.
Arey yaar.
I'm sorry, and wear that Arsenal shirt.
You Fatim, you stop. You just said it has to be rapid. My cause you are willing to churn out like this. Good. Anyway, next one. When somebody comes up to you and says, "Hey Ajit, all these cricket matches are fixed now," your response?
Sorry, you cracked a little bit. I couldn't. All these cricket matches are.
When somebody comes up to you and says, "Hey Ajit, all these cricket matches are fixed now," your actual response should be?
Yes. I mean, it's one of the stupidest things that you can come and say to a cricketer, and I think people sometimes need to think a little bit before they say it.
One holiday destination that you can keep visiting again and again.
One
holiday destination that you can keep visiting again and again.
Wow, I like London, to be honest.
Yeah. I mean, I know. You business class only, no? You travel, or sorry, anyway.
Ship.
Yeah. Okay, your first reaction when women come up to you and say, "I used to have the biggest crush on you."
Is there anyone? Because I haven't had anyone say that. So when that happens, I'll probably respond there.
Okay, but this is the next one. Your first reaction when women come up to you and say, "My mother used to have the biggest crush on you."
Again, that hasn't happened, but thank you.
It'll happen soon. Don't worry. You're great. It'll happen.
They again hate jokes.
Yeah, sorry, I'm limited now. No, Sambit Bale said no. I don't have much variety in my humor. Anyway, one cuisine or food item you cannot resist.
One cuisine.
Mm-hmm. Or food item.
I like.
Sweet answer. Okay. The greatest movie you've ever seen.
Greatest movie. This is tough. I mean, I'm terrible at these rapid fires. Yeah, there's
That's
so
okay.
many things that I like. I'm just greatest movie. I don't know, Godfather maybe.
Okay, they're already better than Sanjay. Don't worry. Your favorite actor, male.
Obviously, growing up, Amitabh Bachchan was something, or his movies you didn't miss watching.
Female, greatest actor.
Sorry?
Favorite actor, female.
Female. Long list, yeah. I don't know, man.
Take your time. Think. Actually, no.
Yeah,
Don't take your time.
yeah. I thought it was rapid fire. I don't know. Madhuri Dixit.
Okay. Sambit Bal is saying, how many meals does Ronak have? What kind of insulting question is this?
Usually 8 at the moment because of lockdown. I think he's on 4.
Don't you think I've lost a little? Don't you see my face going in like this? Like, like how you see Rohit Sharma suddenly after very long and you think, oh, he's lost some.
You, no. The best thing about this Insta Live is that it was because you're hosting it, you are on time. Otherwise, you might be having a quick snack before you get on. So Sambit is right.
Fine. I'll just carry on then. Next question in the rapid fire. If you had to swap records with one cricketer, which one would it be?
Oh, one cricketer.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, man. Do I have to? I don't know whether it's a bowler or a batsman. Yeah? If it's a batsman, it's.
You pick. You wanted his.
Oh man, this is terrible. I don't know. I quite enjoyed watching Curtly Ambrose when I was growing up. So.
Okay.
I wish I could bowl like him.
Not bad, Ajit. Not bad. Yeah, but not bad. Ambrose is pretty good. Okay, next one. Best captain you played under?
Sanjay Manjrekar, I think, is my first captain. Quite enjoyed that first season for Mumbai. So
how are bowlers cooler than batsmen?
Contrary to this nonsense that goes on that they don't have brains, they are much smarter. Because they have to work things out amongst themselves.
Say that again?
I said because they have to work things out for themselves.
Which cricketer has the best sense of humor?
Cricketer with the best sense of humor. Oh man, I think the funny guys in the dressing room when I played at least were, I think UV and Harbhajan were very funny. There were others who had very dry sort of sense of humor. Sachin's got a good sense of humor as well. So those guys, yeah, I don't know whether I can pinpoint one who was really funny. It might come to me as we are talking.
Sanjay called me a cricketer yesterday, so you can count me in this for sense of humor and all of that. It's if you want to.
Yeah, Sanjay these days calls everyone a cricketer.
My God. Okay. Which cricketer has the worst sense of humor?
Oh.
That you
I
can
think Oh, okay. So I may as well go with you here.
You call me a cricketer, no, that's fine. I don't care about that.
Yeah. You played university cricket, I believe. That's what you keep saying.
I don't like to brag about my achievements. Broadcasters shouldn't do that. Anyway, very quickly then, Twitter or Instagram?
I'm at the moment quite enjoying Instagram. I've been on Twitter for longer. I'm quite enjoying Instagram at the moment.
Malt or vodka?
Beer.
That's the next one. Beer or wine? So beer, is it?
Yeah.
Adelaide or Lords?
Always a victory beer.
Okay. Adelaide or Lords?
Tasted much sweeter.
Adelaide or Lords?
Adelaide. Anytime you win.
Manchester Derby or Ryder Cup?
Manchester Derby.
Rate in terms of liver capacity. UV, Zach, Ashish and yourself.
Sorry, UV, Zach?
Ashish and yourself. Who's got the better liver?
I'm not going to answer that.
Would you be amongst the top though? Somewhere at the top?
I said I'm not going to answer that.
Okay. First thing that comes to your mind when I say Australia.
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Okay. So you have to, now first thing that comes to your mind when I say Australia.
Adelaide.
Jose Mourinho.
Suppose winner.
Really?
Not with United.
Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba.
Paul Pogba. Hopefully plays for United a bit longer and only plays football.
FPL.
FPL.
Yeah.
Great fun. Look forward to it every year.
Cricinfo.
Cricinfo. I don't know. Home, I suppose. Spend so much time there. Second home.
Arsenal.
look, I don't, I don't want to make you feel bad. So let's. Oh no, never won Champions League.
Oh, that's not me. Yet you may not making me feel bad. Very good. Okay, Manchester City.
Don't know. What first things come?
Yeah.
Rivalry.
Okay. Sanjay Manjrekar.
First captain.
Sambit Bal.
Friend.
Sachin Tendulkar.
I said before, I said greatest influence on my cricketing life. So really, really good friend.
And lastly, Ronak Kapoor.
Oh God, Arsenal fan.
That's the first thing that I have written.
I'll also get some posts ready and post it. You've been very kind to me. I think I was a bit embarrassed reading them.
I know. It's okay. You've more than made up for it here. But now that we are talking about embarrassing things, we must talk about that Sydney 2015. I think it was the best work trip we've had. It might be the best work trip a lot of people have. But do you remember I posted there that had it not been for you, I would have probably not made it back from Manly Beach, or I would have been scared out of my wits on top of that bridge. You do remember dragging me back? Because I don't remember it.
Very, very clearly, I remember. Very clearly, I remember. I think we got I don't know how I managed to, because you were about 112 kilos or something. But we tried somehow. I think we had the crew with us at that point.
Did you just call me 112 kilos?
At that point, you're in better shape now, I think. Yeah, was a lovely afternoon though. I think Ian, Chappell, Bevan, those guys joined us as well. What a lovely place. Really fond memories of that World Cup, or working on that World Cup.
That used to happen, was possible, no, when our experts used to take reasonable fees. Then there was a huge inflation, so then we couldn't afford all these trips. So, and you're responsible.
Are you talking about Karthik and everyone, or who are you talking about? I must tell Murli Karthik, he's a good friend, so I shall tell him this.
No, he'll find out. Don't worry. You don't need to tell him. It will reach him. Karthik is well glued. His ears are well glued everywhere. Anyway, Cauldron of Words says, good sense of humor, Ajit. You're sledging. You sledged a what when you bowled? I'm sure fast bowler sledged at some point. I don't remember many instances of you.
I think when you're a little bit younger, you do these things and you get a little bit excited in the heat of the moment. Later on, I realized that it didn't help my cricket, so I just shut up and tried to bowl.
Okay, and Devika is saying this is a matinee at the Manjrekar household, which means they're all sitting and watching right now.
So we haven't spoken about Sanjay enough, is it?
No, that's where we'll put a stop to it. Devika wants to know your favorite food. He already actually answered. He loves his mom's cooking. And Sambit is saying you forgot that I had to carry at least one of his arms. I don't know what Sambit is trying to say here, but that's just Sambit Bal. He just confuses more than anything. Anyway, Ajit, did you enjoy this debut Insta Live? Are your hands hurting?
Yeah, great fun. Great fun. We didn't have to use a third sort of computer. Two devices did the job, and it's always fun, Ronak. It is. So.
Thank you so much, Ajit, and take care. And I think we will catch up soon. We'll get on a call now and discuss how good you were. I think this has been your.
Thanks for everyone who's joined us as well. Yeah, thank you so much.
Big thank you to all
of
you. So thanks so much to Ajit, and take care, stay safe, and we'll catch up with him soon.
Cheers, Kapoor.
So that was Ajit Agarkar. That was fun. I think you guys enjoyed it. There'll be, of course, highlights video that'll come up soon. And we will be back with more cricketers in this week itself. There's a very special guest tomorrow. I'll be posting about it shortly. So watch out for my social handles. And sorry I couldn't get more of your questions, comments in. Sometimes we just have to roll with it. But there are going to be lots of cricketers lined up on Beyond the Field, which is picking up now, I think. So good to have you guys, and more soon. Take care, stay safe, and we'll keep the cricket conversation going. Until then, bye-bye.